In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps of exporting your secured data from your Portavo to the Parallel SW112 software on your PC. First, we'll connect to the Portavo utilizing the USB cable. The Parallel software will automatically recognize the Portavo, allowing access to its data. We'll go ahead and open the device logger to import the data. We'll select the Read Filtered button to capture our last entry in the data logger. Here you can see our C18 outfall pH entry. Upon selecting OK, it will begin to populate the data. We can now see the plotted data on the chart below, and we have the ability to save the entry or export it to Excel. This secure digital data not only gives you details on the main measured values, it also provides insight as to the health of your sensor. We can now save this data for comparison to future readings or for submittal for compliance purposes. Thank you very much for watching.